Hey, if anyone is interested in me sharing something from this book, I'll show a little video clip after this video. Sorry, I have seaweed in my teeth, I'm sure. I ain't sorry, but anyway, yeah, let me know and I can like take a picture of it and post it to your comment so you can see which herbs help with what ailment, or whatever it is that you may be wanting to improve on. So let me know in the comments. Please keep in mind that you can pause the video to get a longer view of the pages in the book. You can also pinch your screen to zoom in if you want to get a closer look at the pages that I am showing in this video. Thank you. Again, let me know if you're interested in any of the things that I show you, or maybe you don't see yours on here and it may be in the book somewhere that I did not that I didn't show, and I have no problem with looking it up for you and checking and seeing. Okay, thank you. Be well.